Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music content to your videos using Movie Edit Pro 2022. Okay, so on my desktop I've got this folder, and inside this folder I have 4 video clips which I downloaded from the Pexel website, so I'll put links to those in the YouTube description, and I've also downloaded this audio clip from the YouTube audio library. I'll also put a link to that in the YouTube description as well. So let's go ahead and open up Movie Edit Pro, and I'm using version 2022 at the moment. This is the latest version of Movie Edit Pro. So when this splash screen loads up, it's going to ask us to create a new project. So we're going to go ahead and we'll do the update later, but for now we're going to do HD TV 25 frames a second full HD, and we're going to click create new project, and we can go to this folder now and we can drag in all of the video clips. Right, you can order them or drag them in the right sequence that you like. We're just going to drag them in like this, and we can see the video content here, and we can see it's just like these cars and stuff driving down the road, and maybe it's like a motor show. Maybe you went to a motor show and you did a lot of filming, you want to create some content to put up on YouTube or somewhere else. Right, so first thing we'll do is go and add some transitions quickly. So we'll go to effects or the templates here. I'm just going to use like a basic transition, right? So we use something quite simple. I'm just going to use like this circle fade, right? So we just drag that in between the video content, and then we'll get this sort of transition between them. We can drag it here as well, and we can drag it here as well. So all of the video content now has the transitions. Let's just click on the first video clip and we're going to fade it in. So now it will fade from black into there, and then we can fade it out at the end here as well. And obviously you can cut and edit these videos as you like, but that's not really the objective of this tutorial. It's just to add the audio. So we've got like a basic transition set up here with the video content, and we've got all of our crossfades across the video content, and now we want to add the audio. So let's take that audio track and we drag it onto the second part of the timeline below, and you can see it's this green color, and maybe you'll hear this audio, you might not, but I might just cut and edit this and upload it at the end of this video so you can watch it anyway. But we click play and we can hear this audio timeline moving here, right? So you might not actually hear the audio because it might be quite low, but you'll kind of hear that when I edit this content and add it towards the end of this video tutorial. So here's the audio, and what we want to do is really cut this, right? Because you can see it's green, it's going to keep just playing all the way down here. We don't want that. So what we'll do is use the cut tool, and then we can just move our timeline, in fact, to that position. So move it towards the end of the video clip, use the cut tool here, and then we can go ahead and cut that audio, and we will click on this end part, select it, and then delete it. Now our audio is just going to stop right towards the end, but it stops quite abruptly because there's no real sort of fade out. So if we move across the timeline a bit further back, we can drag this top handle here, this one here, drag it, and then it will start to fade out. Audio will fade out towards the end, and that's kind of what we want. We might do a bit of a longer fade out on the video clip, something like this. Right, so it's looking really nice now. That's looking pretty good. And at the beginning, I think it's pretty quiet. It starts off very quiet at the beginning, so it's almost got its own sort of intro fade in anyway at the beginning. But if it didn't, and if it started quite loud, you could just drag this handle to fade it in at the beginning as well. So let's go ahead and save this work. Let's go to File, Save Project As. We'll go to this PC. Let's go to my desktop and this video here. So let's just call this audio video cars, right? And we can save our work. Let's just click save. Now when we minimize this, we've got all of our Movie Edit profiles inside that folder, so if we want to open it and edit it again, it's all ready to go. So that's how you go about adding music content to your video content using Movie Edit Pro 2022. It doesn't have to be music, it could be other types of sound effects, it could be anything you want, but that's just the basis of adding audio content to your video content. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can find a diverse range of tutorials, on a wide range of subjects. That's the end of this video tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.